Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to cancel YouTube TV subscription. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel a YouTube TV subscription, you need to go to your tv.youtube.com on a web browser. Once you have done this, you need to now simply sign in into your account. After signing in into your account as well, simply click on the profile icon on the top right hand side of this corner and simply select the settings option. So once you have selected the settings option as well, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can go and tap on memberships. So once you are in the membership section, you can simply tap on the manage section. After tapping on manage, you can find the cancel button and simply give them a reason why you are canceling. So once you've given them a reason that why you want to cancel your subscription or your membership, you will be shown an offer to just stay. So if you really want to cancel, then simply tap on no thank you. And once you have done this, you can simply review and cancel your plan and tap on yes, cancel. After doing this, you will be successful in canceling your YouTube TV subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.